Welcome back. I was over here working with my machete. This is a rock that Rachel spotted when we took you on the land tour a couple of weeks ago. And I decided to start clearing it and see what we have underneath. And it's really cool. Like, this is a cool rock. You know, you can grow trees, but rocks, you can't grow rocks. You have to just have them or not have them. I guess unless you had some super mineral rich water and you could just drip it over time. But I thought I'd show you guys clearing this thing off because this is really cool. This is a cool stone here. And I think this is going to be a nice place to come over and sit. But it's surprising, you know, at first I thought it was just a big pile of dirt or maybe a pile of a few rocks. But instead, it's actually a, yeah, man, people pay big money to put these kind of rocks in their landscaping. And here I am getting it for free. Let's clear it up and see what it all looks like underneath, huh? Go up top here. Look at it, it's just basically you're kind of like pulling the vines off in a sheet, uncovering the rock beneath. And hopefully not getting bitten or stung by anything as you do so. Because this is, after all, the jungle. Cool.
Get up in the morning time, making biscuits. Get up in the middle of a new day, biscuits.
Well, I managed to get stung once. But it was just one of those nasty stinging ants. Kind of feels like a burn. But I'm not dead. I know that's why people keep subscribing. But one of these days I'm gonna bite it live. Be it David the Good's last video. And then they'll ban my channel just as it soon, you know, gets successful because they want to be respectful to my family or whatever, you know. Yeah, be respectful to his family. Just as the subscriber count takes off. What will he do next? Well, nothing, actually. He's dead. Got bit by a giant centipede. Had an allergic reaction. Died on camera. Ooh, speaking of that, oh my gosh. There's a scorpion. Rats. Sorry I couldn't show you. I don't know where he went. Yeah, see, that's why we wear gloves in the tropics. Safety first. There you go. Nice rock. A little dirty. No, I don't know where he went. It's cool though. It's got to have some place in the permaculture plan. Things that can kill you. So we've got an orange tree right here. And then my scorpion death rock. Which would be very, very expensive if a landscaping company delivered it. But instead it was probably delivered by a volcano some years ago. Look at that. Isn't that a great hunk of stone? Aren't you glad you watched this video? I hope you found it entertaining. Be sure to like and subscribe and catch me on the web at thesurvivalgardener.com. See if I survive doing something else exciting like digging a pit or perhaps even pruning a tree. See you next time. And until then, may your thumbs always be green.
I went to see David the Good. We listened to Portishead and drank spiced rum.
Do you throw banana peels in the trash? Are your coffee grounds also being thrown in the trash? Do you compost ham? Are you sick and tired of all the rules about composting? Do you wish you could compost in a super easy way? And stop throwing things in a landfill? And stop being a terrible person? Click on the link below and sign up and get my new composting booklet, which shows you how to compost easily and simply with hardly any work at all. It's insane how easy it is because it follows natural principles. Sign up now. Quantities are not limited.